Hi. Are you waiting for your grandma? Are you waiting for grandma to get here? Where's grandma? Where's grandma? $364 old today, buddy. High five. Okay, maybe not. Woo! One year ago today, Mama was trying to have you. You were trying to come out. We were trying to meet each other. We're waiting for Grandma. But she's not here yet. And why is there salt on our window ledge? Ace Cameron. Ace. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. That's not 4. 1, 2, 2. We'll start over. Okay, ready? 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. That's not 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cleo. Hi, Mama. Kitty. How does the kitty go? Okay. I guess say bye-bye. I love you. Mr. Remote Control. You look sleepy.